Our world is a rich tapestry of cultures, each with unique traditions and beliefs. These cultures, woven together, create a vibrant and dynamic global community. Every thread in this tapestry represents a unique story, a distinct heritage, and a different way of life. The beauty of this diversity lies in its ability to teach us, to broaden our horizons, and to enrich our collective human experience. From the bustling streets of Mumbai, where the air is filled with the sounds of life and the aroma of street food, to the serene temples of Kyoto, where tranquility and tradition coexist, humanity expresses itself in a myriad of ways. Each place, each culture offers a unique perspective on what it means to be human. This diversity, far from being a source of division, is a testament to our shared humanity. It is a reminder that despite our differences, we are all part of the same human family. Our varied backgrounds and experiences enrich our interactions and deepen our understanding of one another. It is in our differences that we discover our common ground, recognizing the beauty and value of each thread in the intricate tapestry of human existence. Each culture adds its own unique color and texture, creating a masterpiece that is both diverse and unified. Recognizing and respecting this diversity is not just an ethical imperative, it is essential for building a peaceful and prosperous future. When we embrace diversity, we foster an environment where innovation and creativity can thrive. We create spaces where different ideas and perspectives can come together to solve complex problems and build a better world. When we approach other cultures with curiosity and openness, we expand our understanding of the world and ourselves. We learn to appreciate the richness of human expression and the depth of human experience. This openness allows us to build bridges of understanding and to form connections that transcend cultural boundaries. We learn new ways of thinking, living and interacting, enriching our lives and fostering empathy and respect. Sharing meals, participating in cultural traditions, and learning new languages are just a few ways we can immerse ourselves in the beauty of diversity. Embracing diversity necessitates a willingness to engage with the unfamiliar. It requires us to step out of our comfort zones and to challenge our preconceived notions. This journey of discovery can be both enlightening and transformative. It requires us to move beyond our comfort zones and challenge our preconceived notions. By doing so, we open ourselves up to new experiences and perspectives that can change the way we see the world and our place in it. It is through this process of understanding and appreciation that we begin to see the interconnectedness of humanity and the importance of preserving and celebrating our differences. These differences are not barriers but bridges that connect us to a broader human experience. In the following sections, we will delve into the concept of unity and diversity, exploring how traditions from different cultures and religions contribute to societal harmony. We will see how these traditions, while unique, share common values that bind us together as a global community.
Festivals and rituals are vibrant expressions of cultural identity. They are the heartbeat of cultures, echoing the stories, beliefs, and values that have been passed down through generations. They offer a glimpse into the beliefs, values, and traditions that bind communities together. These events are not just celebrations. They are a way for people to connect with their heritage and with each other. From the colorful Holi celebrations in India, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil, where people come together to throw vibrant powders and dance in the streets, to the joyous Chinese New Year festivities, marking new beginnings and family reunions, with dragon dances, fireworks, and family feasts. These events provide a sense of belonging and shared history. They are moments when the past and present converge, creating a tapestry of memories and traditions. Religious traditions, too, are rich in rituals and celebrations. These rituals often carry deep spiritual significance and are a way for individuals to express their faith and devotion. The Muslim observance of Ramadan, a month of fasting and spiritual reflection, fosters a sense of community and empathy. It is a time for self-discipline, prayer, and communal gatherings, especially during the iftar meals. Christian celebrations of Christmas and Easter, commemorating the birth and resurrection of Jesus Christ, bring families and communities together in faith and fellowship. These holidays are marked by traditions such as decorating Christmas trees, exchanging gifts, and Easter egg hunts. These festivals and rituals, while diverse in their expressions, often share common themes. They celebrate the cycles of life, the changing of seasons, and the milestones that define our existence. They celebrate the cycles of life, the importance of community, and the human desire for connection and belonging. Harvest festivals, for example, are a way to give thanks for the bounty of the earth and to celebrate the hard work of the community. By participating in or learning about these traditions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the richness and diversity of human experience. It allows us to step into the shoes of others and see the world through their eyes. Understanding the significance of these celebrations helps to break down cultural barriers and foster a sense of shared humanity. It encourages us to embrace diversity and to celebrate the unique contributions of different cultures. It allows us to appreciate the beauty and value of different ways of life, promoting tolerance, respect, and ultimately, unity in our diverse world. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, these festivals and rituals remind us of our shared humanity and the bonds that unite us all.
Despite cultural differences, certain values are universally cherished. These values form the bedrock of human interaction and societal cohesion. They transcend borders, languages, and traditions, creating a common ground where people from diverse backgrounds can connect and understand each other. Hospitality, for example, is a fundamental aspect of human interaction across cultures. It is the act of generously welcoming others into our spaces, offering them comfort, and making them feel valued. This practice is not just about providing food or shelter. It is about creating a sense of belonging and community. While the specific customs and traditions may differ, the underlying sentiment of welcoming guests and offering kindness remains constant. Whether it's through a warm greeting, a shared meal, or a thoughtful gift, these gestures convey a universal message of goodwill and friendship. In many Asian cultures, removing one's shoes before entering a home is a sign of respect and consideration. This simple act signifies cleanliness and humility, showing that the guest values the host's space and wishes to keep it pure and untainted. In some African cultures, offering kola nuts to guests symbolizes hospitality and trust. The kola nut, often used in traditional ceremonies, represents a bond of friendship and mutual respect, reinforcing the importance of community ties and shared values. These customs, though seemingly small, reflect a deep-rooted value of honoring and welcoming others into one's home and life. They are expressions of a broader cultural ethos that prioritizes human connection and mutual respect. Respect for elders is another shared value that transcends cultural boundaries. Elders are often seen as the custodians of wisdom and tradition, and their experiences and insights are highly valued. In many societies, age is associated with wisdom and experience, and elders are revered for their knowledge and guidance. This reverence is often expressed through acts of care, deference, and honor, ensuring that the elderly feel respected and valued. This respect is often demonstrated through specific customs, such as bowing to elders in Japan or addressing them with honorific titles in many cultures. These practices serve as daily reminders of the importance of acknowledging and valuing the contributions of those who came before us. These shared values, expressed through diverse traditions, highlight the fundamental interconnectedness of humanity. They remind us that despite our differences, we all seek to create meaningful connections and foster a sense of belonging. Recognizing these commonalities helps us to bridge cultural divides, fostering understanding, empathy, and a sense of shared humanity. It encourages us to look beyond superficial differences and appreciate the deeper values that unite us. By acknowledging and respecting the values that unite us, we create a foundation for a more harmonious and interconnected world. This mutual respect and understanding pave the way for peaceful coexistence and collaborative progress, enriching our global community.
Music and art possess a unique ability to transcend linguistic and cultural barriers. They serve as universal languages, conveying emotions, stories, and experiences that resonate with people from all walks of life. From the rhythmic beats of African drumming to the intricate melodies of Indian classical music, each culture expresses itself through its unique musical traditions. Visual arts, too, offer a window into the soul of a culture. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns of Aboriginal art in Australia tell stories of creation and ancestral spirits. The delicate brushstrokes of Chinese calligraphy convey not just words, but also emotions and philosophical ideas. By engaging with the music and art of different cultures, we gain a deeper understanding of their history, beliefs, and values. We connect with the emotions and experiences that transcend cultural boundaries, fostering empathy and appreciation for the richness and diversity of human expression. The arts become bridges, connecting us to different perspectives and fostering a sense of shared humanity through the power of creativity and expression.